Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am giving my wardrobe a massive makeover. So you'll see in the video that it's an absolute mess inside. It's not so much a mess outside, but I just wanted to give it a bit of a makeover. So it basically goes from just like a normal like wood colour to a nice fresh white. Please excuse the fact I look like a poodle. My hair is crazy at the moment. It's untamable. Oh my god! Dad! Sorry, that was my dad. I put it in plaits a couple of nights ago and I don't know why I do that because it always turns out like this and it just looks crazy. So anyway, I'm going off topic. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to support our channel. Please like this video and comment below any video suggestions or anything you want to see from us in the future. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so here I am with my crazy hair and my weird outfit combination. I started off with this spanner thing. I don't know what that is. I think it's a spanner. And basically I needed to take my TV off the wall because my eyes are so bad that I can't actually see the TV from my bed anymore. So yeah, I need to take this off the wall because I just don't use it anymore. Here I am just basically unplugging it because I realised it was still plugged in, so I could have electrocuted myself. And yeah, around about now I managed to actually get off the wall with the little spanner thing that I showed you. Okay, there it is, off the wall. Perfect. Next job was to take the door handles off because you'll see later in the video that I buy myself some new door handles. So yeah, I'm just basically using a little screwdriver to take off the old ones. My dad just popped in there because he actually didn't realise what I was doing, so he was like, why the hell are you taking the door handles off your wardrobe? So yeah, I took those off so that I could put the new ones on later. Okay, so now I need to take all of my clothes out of my wardrobe. As you can see, it's an absolute state in there. It's such a mess. Okay, as you can see, it's full on clutter in there, and I doubt I need any of the stuff that's in there because I've obviously just shoved it in there and don't know what to do with it. So I'm just gonna probably take everything out and put it in a bin bag for now. I'll probably keep some of it, but some of it can either go to the charity shop or I could probably sell some stuff. So I'm just going to clear it all out now and then I can decide what to do with it later because it's more the clothes that I need to sort through. This is my birthday dress and it's so sparkly and it's inside out and I don't actually think I've washed it. It's so cute. I need to keep that and put it in the wash because I think it was quite expensive. I'm pretty sure it was like 50 quid. Now this is a Versace bag that I bought when I went to Bicester Village and I didn't use it anymore because I'm not really fond of the colour, so I might put that on Depop. I've literally got a box, I don't know if you can see here, this little pink thing, it's just full of shoes. I need to sort through that at some point. I'm really scared like a massive spider's gonna like jump on my face or something. That can go in the bin because that's rubbish. These are the ugliest shoes I've ever seen. Put these in here for now. This is a cute beach bag. I like that. Life is a beach. Yes, it is. Cute Ted Baker bag. I've not actually used. I might put that on Depop. Okay, so here are some of the things that I bought from the DIY shop. So first thing I bought was sanding blocks. Second thing was some primer undercoat. I got this in white. And then I got my normal paint that obviously I'm going to put over the primer. So I got this in pure brilliant white and satin. Then a large paintbrush and a small paintbrush and some masking tape. I don't know why I bought this because I didn't even need it. obviously thought I was being some sort of DIY expert. And then just a little pot to put all my paint in. Okay, I'm literally the clumsiest person ever, so I needed to put an old bedsheet on my floor so I didn't drop any paint on my carpet. Oh, this bit's in slow-mo. That's very satisfying to watch. Yeah, so I basically just put the primer in my little pot and then proceeded to put that onto my wardrobe doors. So I really like this primer. It's super thick and a really good base for the paint that I'm going to pop on in a minute. So yeah, enjoy this little time lapse of me popping the primer on.
I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long.
So when I was looking at other YouTube videos on sort of how to paint over wood, I discovered that apparently using a paintbrush gives you better coverage than using a roller, and actually that made sense to me because like what I thought of it in terms of when you're doing your makeup on your face, like using a brush gives you better coverage than using a beauty blender. So that's how I thought of it in my head. But yeah, the brush gave me really great coverage. I don't know if it was the brush or whether the primer was just really good, but yeah, I think using a brush really helped.
I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know.
Okay, so whilst I wait for that to dry, it's actually almost dried. It dries really super quick. I'm just going to go through some of the clothes that I'm going to either keep or not keep or sell on Depop. So this dress I literally love, and I've had this woman on Depop wanting to buy it from me for ages, and I'm like, I just don't know, I've had it on Depop but I just don't know if I want to let go of it. I literally love it so much. It's like high neck and it's like really super flowy. I kind of don't think I want to sell it. I think I want to keep it, so I think I'm going to keep that one, so I'll hang that one up in a minute. This is my prom dress which is so nice. It's like a really nice, it's like the colour of my car, it's like a mint colour. Really super long. It's a size 8, so definitely wouldn't fit me anymore. But I wanted to sell this year, but obviously with everything that's going on, no one's having proms anymore, so I might have to just wait till next year, see if anybody wants it then. So I'll just probably keep it in my wardrobe for now, because I think this is like timeless. I feel like this would be stylish at any time. I think it's super nice, really classy. So yeah, I'm going to keep that, and I will hang that one up as well in a minute. Now this I have on Depop, I think still. This is a Steel Benetton dress, I think that's how you say it. Steel Benetton, S-T-I-L-E. I got it from Gerald's, which is like an independent department store in Norwich. I got it ages ago, and it was £65, but I think we got it for like 20. But it's like that dress that, who was it? Selena Gomez wore. I think she wore it on the red carpet once, I can't remember, but it's similar to that sort of one, and I have got it on Depop, but it's been on there for literally like probably like 2 years, so I'm gonna maybe photograph it again and probably put it on as well if it fits me still, and just see if anybody wants it. So yeah, I'm gonna sell that, so I'll put that on like the keep pile so that I'm not sort of throwing it away. Okay, so this dress I'm gonna keep. This is basically, am I actually gonna throw away anything? This is my problem, I'm such a hoarder. So this is really nice. It's like a, it's more of like a holiday dress. So it has quite a low back, but it's basically just really, really long. But yeah, I always wear this on holiday, so I'm going to keep this. Co-ord, so it's like a top and trousers. It's really nice co-ord, but I just would never wear this anywhere. I don't know why I kept it. I bought it to wear for my 21st birthday to Manchester last year, and it's really nice. Like it comes with a bralette type thing, if you can see that. And then these are like wide leg trousers. It's such a nice colour, but I just don't think I'd wear it. So I think I'm going to put this on Depop, probably. I'll put that one on Depop. This is super ugly. I don't know why that's in my wardrobe. I would never wear this. This is M&M. M&M? This is M&S, so I'm going to put that in the charity shop pile. I think I'm going to put this on Depop as well. This is just a pretty little thing dress. It's like long sleeve and it's like ruched at the bottom. So yeah, I'm going to put that on Depop definitely, because I don't think I'll wear that anytime soon. This is on my Depop still. I actually really like this still. It's a jumpsuit. I wore it to when I did fashion buying at the FRA about 2 years ago. I wore it to my graduation. I wasn't actually graduating, it wasn't a degree, but they still have like a graduation ceremony when you leave. And I wore this and I still really like it. It's from In The Style. It's size 12, so I think it might be a little bit big for me now, but I still really like it. So it's on my Depop. So if anyone buys it, then fair, but if they don't, then I can still wear it. I'm going to take this to a charity shop. I think this is a misguided dress. It's like a high neck. Oh, should I put it on my Depop? I'll put it on my Depop. I think I might put this on my Depop. This is just like a brown leather shacket from Stradivarius. I actually really liked this in the winter. I just don't know if it's going to be in fashion this winter. I think leather might come back around, but yeah, it basically just ties at the front. So I'm going to put it on my Depop. I like this. This is a Zara leather jumpsuit. So it ties in the middle and it's sort of got buttons. It's got buttons down the front. So I'm going to, oh no, it's not buttons, this is zip. It's got a little zip down the front. I really like this, so I'm going to keep it. So this is like a satin slip dress. I think this is just from Primark, to be honest. Pretty sure, yeah, it's just from Primark. It's quite nice. I actually I originally bought this to wear with like, oh god, to wear with a jumper or a top, like a roll neck underneath. I remember I bought it last winter to wear with a roll neck underneath. I don't know what to do with this. I just think selling Primark stuff on Depop's pointless because I only put it on there for like £5 and then I'm like, well, there's no point selling something for £5. So I don't know what to do with that. I might keep it. I think it might come in handy. It is only a Primark dress. So I like this. This is basically just like a blazer, but it only has a tiny little clasp at the front. So I used to wear this with like a white lace bralette underneath. I'd wear that on a night out. So I'll keep that because I think that'll come in handy. I'm not throwing away much stuff, am I? Oh my god, this dress is like my favourite dress ever. I love this dress so much. I actually forgot I had it. This is my thing, because I never used to go in my wardrobe. I'd forget about the clothes in there, and I've got so many cute dresses in there. This is from H&M. It's basically just like a, it's got sort of layered, it's like ruched, but in layers. It's a size medium. I really like it. I'm definitely keeping that, 100%. I love it. This, don't think I'd wear. I'm not sure I'd wear that. I don't know, I might take that to a charity shop. I don't think I'd wear that. Okay. Culottes, no, never going to wear them again. No, don't like that. Let's put them down there for a charity shop. This, I don't know how I feel about this. This is like a leather top. I do quite like it. I don't mind it. Should I keep it? It's from Misguided. I'll keep it. This was like my job interview jackets. This is from Zara and it's got really cute little pearl buttons. So I might keep this in case I ever have a job interview in the future because it's really super smart. So I'll keep that one. I don't like this one. This is Zara as well, but I think it looks a bit rank now, so charity shop. That was all the clothes that were in the wardrobe. So I'm going to paint over this now because it's dried. That dries so quickly. I think you need to sand it first, so I'll sand it and then paint over it. Okay, so here I am trying to take the lid off of the paint. I then realised it looks like out of date yogurt. Like it just looks really weird. It'd gone like separated. So I gave it a little stir and it went back to looking like a normal paint. So obviously it just needed a bit of a stir. Popped it in my little pot. Realised that when I'd washed it out there was still water in it. So then I was panicking that it would make the paint go really weird, but it was fine in the end. I also realised I didn't actually film me sanding the primer down. So basically all I did was got my little sanding blocks and basically just lightly sanded down the primer just so that the paint had something to grip, because the wood is really shiny, so it has nothing to grip onto, so it just literally just crisp off. So here we go. Yeah, here's me basically popping the paint on, and the paint is like a one coat. That's what it was called. It's called a one coat paint, so it's really thick. So yeah, the coverage I got on this was amazing. I only actually I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to do like a couple of coats, but actually I only did have to do one coat. But I think that was also down to having a good base, so I would definitely make sure you use a primer. Here I am using the big brush just so I can get the most coverage on the doors, and then I basically go in with my little brush just to get the edges. God, I'm literally the messiest person ever. I got white paint all over my Gymshark leggings, don't worry, they're old ones, and all over my hands, all over my top, all over my stomach for some reason. It like splattered on my stomach, and the paint was really sticky, so it was really difficult to get off of my skin. I had to kind of wait for it to dry and then kind of like pull it off. So yeah, as you can see, I am so messy, so thank God I put that sheet on the floor. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually quite buzzing with how they look. I think they look really nice. They're like super shiny and glossy. And I just think it makes them look like bigger in a way. Sorry, I'm just like sitting here in my dressing gown with paint on my leg. I absolutely love that. I've got paint all over my hands. Look at all that. Looks like I've got like white nail varnish on. Do you like my new manicure that I got? But yeah, happy with those. Need to get some doorknobs tomorrow, so that'll be in the next clip for you guys. And yeah, because you can like see the holes where they were. Can you see them? So yeah, I need to put some door handles in there, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased with them. Hi guys, so it is the next day now, and we have just arrived at Wix because I need to get, oh god, there's a van next to me. Yeah, because I obviously need to get some handles for the wardrobe doors. So we are just heading in there now. Hopefully they have some, but we are going to Homebase after this. So if not, they might have some in there. So obviously you can see the weather's rank today, so that's why I've got a massive denim jacket on. I look really hench, and a jumper on. So yeah, I will update you if I find a nice door handle. Okay, so I got these ones in the end. I just wanted some like super basic ones, nothing too over the top. So they're basically just like silver ones that I can still like hang my bags on and stuff like that. So yeah. I will catch up with you when I'm hopefully putting them on, or when Zach's putting them on. Putting his hat on. Oh. You are head to toe in Carhartt. Door handles are going on. Thanks to Zach. Okay guys, so the door handles are on. Oh, just fell over. And yeah, pretty pleased that these holes over here, Dad's going to fill in this week, hopefully, so they'll all be filled in. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with them. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I really like the door handles. I think they look really nice. I'm pretty impressed with myself, considering I'm not really a DIY queen, but yeah. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope my voiceover wasn't too cringe, because I've actually never done a voiceover before, so hopefully it was okay. But please make sure you subscribe to our channel to support it. Please like our video. Please comment anything you want to see from us in the future, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.